Welcome to the Givi channel. I'm your host Pietro, and today we're going to talk about the range of aluminum cases that Givi carries for you. So as you see here on the table, I have three models. These are the three families of full aluminum cases that we carry. We have to my right the Dolomiti. Here in the center we have the Outback, which is also the premium family. And then to my left is the recently introduced Alaska series. So why three cases? Well, first of all, they're all made with the same material. It's an aircraft grade 1.5 aluminum, thick aluminum foil. And we use steel rivets for all of them. The construction is the same quality, same resistance. They're thought though for different destination of use. For example, the Dolomiti, that we have a special thing that we're going to talk about also, but the Dolomiti, generally speaking, is dedicated more to the cafe racer and to the scrambler group of riders. So that's the destination of use. Of course, you can use it for any kind of touring and everything, but in our mind, that's the destination, that's the kind of style that follows, with maybe a little more rounded shape and everything. One thing I want to point out is that the new Dolomiti are different from the old one because now they're fully mono key. Where the old one, if you remember, we had what we used to call the retrofit system. The retrofit system was perfect, it was working and everything, but after we introduced the new PLO system, the universal system, the old Dolomiti case will not fit on the new mounts. So this is why we introduced the monokey system to the Dolomiti series as well. So be careful. If you're using a PLO system, which is the new one, the mount, and you want to attach to it the old Dolomiti with the retrofit, they will not fit. You need the new one with the monokey. Okay, so that was the Dolomiti family. Moving on, we have the Alaska and we have the premier range Outback. The difference between the two, they're, again, same material, same construction. We managed to industrialize this product a little bit better, so there are some industrial savings that we turn into the price we turn directly to the consumer. So the price point is different, but there are also some technical aspects that you have to consider. Basically, what you can do with this, you can do with that, and vice versa. So whatever you can do with this, you can probably do with this case as well. The main difference being that for this case, we have a standard monokey mount, where the Alaska, this is the Alaska, where the Outback have a more rugged, more, let's say, high impact system. So the mounting, instead of being the 3 points that you see here for the monokey standard, the mounting system for the Outback is the new cam system. So you have 4 attachment points instead of just 3. That means that the premium product in the aluminum case, the Tracker Outback range, the destination of use is the most rugged, dedicated to the adventure tourers, the guys that go into the dirt. They have the most solicitation and the most, I would say, the roughest condition they're riding in. So if you're one of those guys, around the world traveler, that you travel on the tarmac or pavement, or you also do a lot of dirt riding and gravel roads, this is the product for you. But again, this Alaska case, the brand new Alaska system, is just as good as fantastic. It's just not as rugged in terms of mount. So again, 3 different price points, 3 different destination of use, and of course, same material, same quality. One last thing I want to point out is that all 3 ranges are available in both brushed natural aluminum finish, as you see here, or in black. Black is not just painted, but is powder coated, so it's very strong and is very resistant to scratches, and it will give a better resistance to the surface. So again, this is the Givi range of aluminum cases.